Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Veikk pen and tablet. This prevents shorts and false readings. Next, remove the pen nib and visually inspect the tip and collar for wear or debris, because small particles often cause pressure issues. Use compressed air to clear dust, and open the battery or grip if accessible to check connections. Once done, lay out spare nibs, a precision screwdriver, and a multimeter so you can measure continuity and proceed without interruption. You now move into diagnosis. Use the multimeter to check the pen switch and tip sensor for proper resistance changes when pressed, because that tells you whether the sensor or wiring is failing. Carefully open the pen body to expose the flex ribbon and PCB. Look for cracked traces, lifted pads, or corrosion around solder joints. Clean suspect contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, and then reseat or reflow loose connectors when necessary to restore reliable electrical contact. You finish by replacing any defective components, swap the nib, replace the switch or ribbon cable, and carefully reflow any broken solder joints because mechanical repair often fixes intermittent faults. Reassemble the pen, plug into the tablet, and run driver updates and pressure calibration. Make sure sensitivity and tilt respond correctly. If the pen still misbehaves, try a known good pen or cable to isolate the tablet versus pen issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, gently wiggle connectors while monitoring for changes to pinpoint a loose contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.